Hi friends, I am Tilak. You're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to insert a Celsius degree symbol on your Google Sheet mobile. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to insert a Celsius degree symbol in your Google Sheet mobile. So first of all, I just open a document here and just going to zoom in and click here. If you click on this plus symbol, you can't find any insert symbol option present in the Google Sheet mobile. Instead of that, you can just use your keyboard as an alternative. Here I just using Google Keyboard. You can just download it from the Play Store. So now click on this number section, and first of all you just need to click Celsius degree symbol, so tap C. Then click on this number section, then click on this again. You will see this degree symbol. So this is how you just insert the Celsius degree symbol on your Google Sheet mobile. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet on next video with your super valuable Google Sheet content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.